videos. I love it. Welcome back to Saving Mamasita. You guys, welcome back. For those of you who are brand new, I welcome you. We are an unboxing channel. Well, we do a lot of different lifestyle videos actually, but primarily monthly subscription box unboxings, product hauls, try-ons, reviews, that kind of thing. If you're into that, hit that subscribe button. We like to do it a little bit different here. We unbox, but we like to do it in a very fun and exciting way. Today is going to be an unboxing and try-on for an athletic company called Nike. Look at all of these boxes, you guys. I'm going to unbox all of these right here, right now. This is actually all one order, but they shipped it all separately, just based on their availability and things like that. So what I did was I went onto the Nike website actually, and I went to their clearance section. And I like to do that every once in a while, simply because you never know what you're gonna find in the clearance. And I found a lot of really, really awesome things. So I'm so excited to share them with you guys. And the second part of this video will actually be a try on. So stick around for that. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 Nike boxes. Let's get into it. The first item is in this bag. And what I'm gonna do is I will leave all of the items in my description area so you guys can take a look if you want. Now, please note, most of these items, if not all of the items, were in the clearance area, so I cannot guarantee that they will still be available, but you do get an idea of the items that you can find on sale in the clearance section on Nike.com. So this looks like a sports bra. It is black. And with Nike, I have to go up a size in Nike because I feel like they do run a little bit smaller, and that is very typical, especially in their shoes as well. Like I wear a size 10, but I usually have to size up for my shoes. Typically I wear a size medium in tops and bottoms, medium, large. I kind of hover around that size for my bottoms. This, I went ahead and got a size large in the sports bra. So as you can see, it's just a black sports bra. It has the V here. On the back, it has the thin straps with the crisscross in the back. With the adjustable straps, you can loosen or tighten them as you need. And then the back has like a little mesh area, so it's kind of see-through there. It does have the pads inside the bra area. So for me, I'm not big on those pads, but these are pretty thin pads. So I think these will be okay. Large sports bra with the Nike sign, the white Nike sign. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. And I like these boxes because they have the pull tab on them. Kind of nice when you are trying to oh! This is a pair of shoes. I am really into high intensity workouts. I like to do the HIIT workouts. They're high interval intensity training workouts. So with that, it is very hard to find a shoe that works well for that particular style of workout, simply because there's a lot of jumping involved. So you need a good support around your ankles and the bottoms of your feet. So I went ahead, I did some looking, and I found these Metcon 4s. So I'm super excited to try these for my workout. I ordered a size 11. As I mentioned, I do wear a size 10, so we'll see how these fit. But look at these. I read a lot of reviews on these bad boys, and a lot of people were giving nothing but good reviews for the support on these when you're doing jumping exercises. So I'm really super excited to see how these work for me. It has a very tight area on the back here, so I'm guessing that'll support my ankle pretty well. Here are the bottoms. I like the look of these. These are actually pretty cool. They're like a gray, a very light gray with some blue tabs, blue on the back, the Nike logo on the back. They're very light, and it has a little gold yellow swoosh sign there on the top. So very excited to try these on, you guys. Super, super excited. And I will do that here in a little bit. We have another box. So excited. So excited! There's something about new workout clothes that just excites me, it motivates me, because when you look good, you feel good. Am I right? We got a lot of items in this box, you guys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 items in this box. The first item is a sports bra. You can never have enough sports bras. The thing about sports bras are they're different levels of support. So for me, because I do the higher intensity workouts and because I do a lot of cardio and things like that, I need a medium to higher supported bra. So this one here, I believe, is a medium support. Training. This is a large. As I mentioned, I do like to go up a size in my clothing on Nike. This was so cool. I love the color. It's on camera, it looks more like a tan color, but here in my vision, it's more of like a yellow with the tan. It does not have the pads inside. It's your basic cross back here. But I loved the pattern on it and I love the style. It's something different than what I have. So I wanted to give this a try, and this definitely was in the clearance section. The support, it says it's high support. I thought it was medium. So very excited to try this on when I'm doing my workouts. So, and it has the swoosh sign down on the bottom front here. And on the back, it's just like a very, very stretchy, thick, high quality material actually. So excited to try that one on. Next we have it looks like a tank or tee. I can't remember what I ordered, but I saw this color and I was like, bam, this is something different, something fun. It looks orange. I thought it was like a reddish color. It looks more orangey on camera, but for me here, I feel like it's more of like a reddish orange color. But I love that. I love that, and I love the Dri-FIT material. This is kind of soft, but you can definitely tell it has that material that offers that breathability. Regular price on this tank top, you guys, this is what I'm talking about for Nike. $65 freaking dollars. I didn't pay that. I did not freaking pay $65 for this tank top. I'll tell you that much right now. So clearance area, looking forward to trying this on. And it looks like it has more of a longer fit. So we'll see that once I try it on and see what it looks like. Next we have, ooh, what is this now? Yeah, this is a sweatshirt. So this is a yoga branded Nike sweatshirt. I ordered the large. Very freaking soft material, you guys. Has like a tighter fit around the arm here. Can't tell if this is a 3/4 sleeve or if it's a full sleeve, but it looks like it's pretty roomy. The price on this, $90, $90 freaking dollars for a sweatshirt. I mean, look it's pretty basic. It's got the V-neck. The soft material in here is legit though. I will say that. But I'm also going to say I would not pay $90 for a freaking sweatshirt. Just saying. Next item is another, looks like a Nike yoga pants. Let me see. High rise Love high-rise. High-rise leggings, yes. But they're more of a different, they're a different material. Very stretchy alongside the leg here. So I can see where they'd be probably like a second skin almost. Around the waist, it's pretty tight. So I'm guessing it'll kind of hold you in around the waist. Nike Yoga High Rise. This is their 7/8 length. Regular price on these pants are $60. And I did order a large. Okay, and our final box here. I'm gonna open this one up. Oh, okay. All we got in here is a sports bra inside this box. Whole big box for one item. That makes no sense to me. Why wouldn't you just send it in a freaking bag or something? So this looks like a sports bra. This is more like an orangey black, orange and black. It kind of matches the tank actually. Kind of, yeah. Okay, so this is a sports bra, very padded sports bra, as you can see. This is called the Nike Indy bra, and it says the support is light support. It says the Nike Dri-FIT technology moves sweat away from your skin for quicker evaporation, helping you stay dry, comfortable, and focused. Light support bra. This one has the adjustable straps as well. Just your basic crew neck type situation. And then the pads are removable here from the top. It looks like a little bit of a longer sports bra. Not quite a crop tank type bra, but it is longer. So, all right, so that concludes the unboxing of my Nike haul. Let's go ahead and try these on, shall we? Let's go. Okay, so here are the Nike pants. Yes, they have more of a higher waist on them, which I love. The sports bra is a lot more supportive than I thought it was going to be. It is definitely gonna hold you in place, that is for sure. I love the color on it. I love the pattern on it. It's super, super cute. Here's what the back looks like. The pants are legit. Actually, the pants go almost all the way down to my ankles. I threw on the Nike tank over the yellowish sports bra. I love the feel of this tank, you guys. Look at the material. I don't know if you can see that, but it is definitely has that breathability, but you can't see through it. The back, super cute, super, super cute. And it is a longer tank, you can see. So I love that. I love longer tanks. That's just me. I'm more of like I just like the slimmer fit, the longer tank, and the comfort of this tank is thebomb.com. Would I pay $60 for this tank? No, 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 no. Okay, here is the black Nike sports bra with the white swoosh on it. I love the V. I love the adjustable straps on it. How they go down in a Y in the back. I love that. I'm not so sure about these cups in here, you guys. Like, I feel like they're gonna be moving around a little bit on me. You know what I'm saying? So those pads might have to freaking go. But overall, the fit is great. It looks great. It's comfortable, perfect fit. Large definitely is my best option. Okay. I have to say, I think I like this sports bra actually the best out of all three of these. This orange one, it feels like it has a lot more support than the other two. Nike swoosh here is really cute. The adjustable straps, love that. The back is more You can see the back. It has that wide crisscross again, but I feel like this one is more my style, has the fit that I want. It's a little bit longer, which I like that. What do you guys think? I think I'm in love with this one. I think I love it. So this is what a $90 sweatshirt looks like, okay? What does it feel like? Well, it is soft. I'll give it that. It is very soft. It feels very light against the skin. It is more of like a oversized crop fit. It doesn't go any longer than, if I put my arms up here, you can see. It is basically just something you throw on when you're done with your yoga class, you're done with working out. It is comfortable. Is it $90 worth? This is the moment that I've been waiting for. This moment right here. I'm ready for this. These are actually freaking legit. I can't wait to actually do a workout in these. I feel like they really have the good support around the ankle area. But yeah, these are freaking legit. I can already tell that they're gonna be awesome for jumping because they have more of a cushion in the back heel. That concludes my mini Nike haul. So excited to actually work out in these items, you guys. I'm so excited. I love getting new workout clothes. It's so much fun for me. But what I'm really freaking excited for is trying these in my next HIIT workout. I cannot freaking wait. I got this sweatshirt, yoga sweatshirt, this orange and black sports bra, these black Nike 7/8 length leggings. I got the Dri-FIT orangish red tank, black V-neck sports bra, and I also got the yellowish tan high support sports bra here as well. I'm gonna leave all of these items, you guys, in my description area if you're interested in taking a look at them. As I mentioned before earlier in the video, it's not a guarantee they're still gonna have these items in their clearance area. However, they might have different colors. They might have something similar to it. So if you did in fact like any of these items, you can go ahead and check them out. They still might be available, they might not. So what do you guys think of my haul? Let me know if you are a fan of Nike clothing. If so, what is your favorite item that you received from them? What do you swear by? I would love to know. I'm always looking for new workout clothes, things that I can try for my workouts. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section down below. I would love to hear it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like, subscribe button, notification bell, and